pay your phone, don't mind the cash in hand in due time. I think that I could fuck the idea him out of your mind. He said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind, good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you gotta mind. Remind me, hey, hey. The smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these beats and so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch. She creaming on me, I'm a crush. Her photos don't need a retouch. She asking why I haven't a nut. I didn't know we're in a rush. Enjoying the moment, so hush. My album is paying her bills. I don't even need a deluxe. The stomach is flat as fuck. She still fit that shit in the dust somehow. The fat must have went in the bus somehow. I don't even ask her what's up. She saying that shit is natural. I don't care if she making it up. I never put you in no Uber, girl. I'm always gonna send you a truck. I'm always gonna keep it a buck. You give me that shit and I'm steady on my ways. There's a lot of broke niggas round the way, riding round town and they looking for my face. Gotta pray to God above you, girl. You know that savage love you and I hope that you feel the same.